So this is a video on jar top valves and how to rebuild them the quickest possible way. Now, these valves are meant to be super easy to service. However, sometimes when they're installed, they're not installed in a way that you can actually access them, or dirt has fallen into them. So the only way that you can actually get this guy open is by digging up the whole valve box and then using channel locks to unthread it. Now, we've actually got a device, it's a jar top opening tool, and it is down here. So it is schedule 80 pipe, or in this case it's just a nipple, and we've just cut notches at the end, and this fits perfectly over the jar top valve and then unthreads it. I've gone ahead and I've made two more of them. So I've got this one here, this again, a schedule 80 3-inch nipple, and this works perfect, and as it's schedule 80 it's going to last a really long time. However, it also works with a 2.5-inch coupling. So if you take one of these and then just put this guy on top, mark using a Sharpie, just mark where all the lines meet up, and then I just use my hacksaw and I just cut diagonal lines, and now this fits perfectly on top and unthreads it. So the only thing I've got left to do with these two is actually make them into a proper jar top opening tool. And I mean, you guys are all irrigators, you know how to do this. It's just couplings, bushings, pipe, and a T. I did try and make one a couple weeks ago just using 3-inch schedule 40, and it doesn't work. So if you're going to do this trick, or if you're going to try and make this tool, you either need to make the end with 3-inch schedule 80 nipple, or just a schedule 80 pipe, or just a 2.5-inch coupling. And that's how you make your jar top opening tool.